Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing for an authorized repair. Confirm the Pixel 4 XL model and Android build so technicians know the exact firmware. Once done, back up everything to cloud and local storage and verify backups by opening a few files. Make sure you have proof of ownership, receipt, ID, and the device serial or Imei on hand, because service centers require it before performing any firmware or identifier work. Next, contact Google Support or an authorized service center and request an official diagnostic. Explain the Imei concern without admitting illicit modification. Ask for legitimate restoration or repair options and a clear cost estimate, because authorized tools and procedures differ from third-party methods. If your phone is under warranty or a carrier protection plan, make sure to check coverage for firmware or identifier issues and schedule an appointment so technicians can run secure diagnostics. Finally, follow the technician's instructions and insist on a written work order describing any firmware or identifier actions taken. Once you get the device back, verify the Imei and serial in settings about phone and compare them to the service report. Make sure network connectivity and activation work normally. If the Imei or serial still mismatches, escalate immediately to Google Support or the service center using the service order ID, and keep copies of all correspondence for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.